Let's make some pumpkin and carrot punch. You want to save this video for later. So if you're lactose intolerant, this video is for you. And if you're also not lactose intolerant, this video is also for you. So first you want to start off with your pumpkin and your carrot. You're going to boil them with some cinnamon leaf. Then you're going to toss everything in your blender. Add cinnamon powder, nutmeg, salt, vanilla, sea moss gel, honey to sweeten. If you are not lactose intolerant, you can add 1 can of supplement. If you are, you can add a dairy-free milk. You're going to blend everything until it is smooth. Then this should be the consistency right here. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It is very delicious, very creamy, and also filling. So if you try this recipe, comment below and let me know how did it turn out and how did you like it. Bye.